As Windows has released its latest update, Windows 1903, it came up with the Windows Sandbox feature, as this not only helps you to keep your system safe and secure, but it also helps you to try new application on Windows without worrying about virus and malware, as it gives you the exact replicate copy of Windows 10 in an isolated environment where you can try all new application or any software without worrying about viruses and malware. Here, when you close the sandbox, it will delete all the data from your hard drive for permanent basis. It is really easy and quick to set up. So let's see how we can set this up. For this, you need to have the Windows 10 latest update Windows 1903. Check this up, press Windows key and R and type WinVER. After this, if you are on Windows 1903, let's get started. And if you don't have the Windows latest update, you can download it by the link in the description below. So to enable this feature, first you need to check the virtualization is enabled or not. To check this, open the command prompt and type systeminfo.exe. It will show you Hyper-V requirement. Make sure all things in the Hyper-V is set to yes. If not, you need to go to BIOS setting and enable the virtualization in it. Now after enable virtualization, you need to open the start menu and type Windows. You will find turn Windows feature on or off. Open it up and scroll down. You will find the sandbox. Check the box in it. This will take some time to apply changes. After that, it will ask you to restart your system. Click on restart your system. After restart, open the start menu again. Scroll little bit till W. Here you will find Windows Sandbox. Open it up. It will take some time to open as it depends upon your system configuration. To test any Windows application, you need to copy that Windows application from your Windows to virtual environment. Like I'm copying the VLC file from my Windows environment to virtual environment just for the demo purpose. You can do this with any Windows application. Now you can run this application and check this it is secured or not. If it contains the malware or viruses, you can protect your Windows from this application. In this way, virtualization will help you to solve the virus and malware or any buggy issue which you can face if you directly install that application in your system. And when you close this environment, it will get deleted and nothing will be saved in your system. So it is pretty helpful for testing any application. So pretty much that's it guys for this video. Hope you like this video. If you do, press the thumbs up and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.